So the first thing you want to do is, of course, lay your edges back because you don't want to put glue on your edges. Even though it can come out, some people just don't know how to properly take off their lace. So you want to make sure that all of your baby hairs are pushed to the back with some kind of edge control. I use edge control from my hairline and company. Now what you want to do is go ahead and just put on your tan cap. Whatever skin tone you are, I prefer you put that cap on. It just saves like a little bit of the tinting process. But since this is a little too light for me, of course, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some of my LA Girl Pro concealers. And then, yeah. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the lace grip. It's called the dot method. So I'm just going to go like in front of my hairline and just put the glue on there just to hold the cap down. It's like quicker than using the Got to Be Free spray. So I'm real lazy. So I just do this method and it does perfectly fine. It doesn't pull out my edges or anything. This is actually like my third time doing it on myself. So yeah, I just kind of got used to it and that's what I'm going to do. And then after that, then you'll see me actually applying the concealer to my wig cap to kind of match my skin tone. Now it's time to actually go ahead and tint your lace. I'm not really good with blending the spray tints yet, so I just still take my makeup and then just put it on the back of my wig, just like how you're seeing here. This lace is the Invisible HD lace, so it was super easy to tint the lace and it just blended so good. We're going to go ahead and cut the lace into 4 parts because I'm going to lay my glue a different way. I'm trying something new. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off the lace right now because it's just easier for me to, you know, maneuver everything around that way. And then after that, you guys will see me place the glue literally like in the center first. And then I'm going to take it to the sides. So as you guys can see, I'm going to do 3 layers of this lace grip glue because it melts my lace the best. And then I'm just going to do the centerpiece first and then take it to my sides. Once the glue is a little bit dry, like it can be a little tad bit still white, but you need a little clear. And then just go ahead and mash the lace right into it. Take your blow dryer on warm, blow dry it, and then blow dry on cool to pretty much set it. So now it's time to hit the sides. I'm going to do this side first. I'm not going to show the other side because, of course, what you do to one side, you do to the next. So that's literally all I'm doing is putting my 3 layers on this side, and I'm going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. So right here, you'll see me add a little makeup just to get rid of some of the whiteness. Even though like once I put my scarf on and everything, it'll pretty much, you know, fade it all away. But I just did it just to see, you know, what'll happen. And now I'm going to go ahead and peel out some of my baby hairs. And then I'm going to cut them with a razor and then lay them things. I'm using the She Balm Goo or Go. I always get it wrong, but you'll see what I'm using. I listed all the products in the video. So I learned that using a hot comb to kind of melt the lace actually helps. So this was my first time trying it on myself and it turned out amazing. Make sure that you do not hold the heat on the wrap strips because it will burn. Now I'm going to take my crimping iron. I got it from Cosmo Pro. I went to hair school, so I still have like my little ID and everything. So I was able to get it out of Cosmo Pro. So yeah, now what you're gonna do, you just spritz it with some spritz to kind of make it a little hard, and then you just start crimping. So I sectioned off where I want to start my rubber band method. I'm going to do this side, then do the next, and then I'm going to do 3 in the middle. And then you'll see me like connecting them. So just watch the video. Thank you so much, babes, for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It came out really good. The hair was super duper bomb, like so full, just so bomb. The lace is actually invisible lace to HD, so it blended so perfectly. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck, of course. It looked like it already came pre-plucked, which is a plus, but I just did a little bit more, and the wig came out so amazing, y'all. Like, I literally feel like this is one of my best hairstyles that I've ever done on myself. Everything just pretty much flowed. I really took my time, and I just really loved the way that this look came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this as well. I'm going to leave all of the details in the description box below, so please go ahead and shop with Wiggins Hair. This is the box that it comes in. Guys, please shop with this hair. This hair was amazing. It comes with a wig cap. It had the elastic band in it and everything. Like, this hair was just an all-around plus. If I was to rate this hair, I would definitely give it a 10 because my hair just turned out absolutely amazing. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.